In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji in Google Calendar Easy Guide 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place eye-catching emojis in your event titles so they stand out in your schedule and are easier to scan at a glance. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're on the main calendar view, you'll see your events laid out by day, week, or month. Pick the event you want to update. Click the event once to open the small details pop up. This quick preview is helpful for checking information, but to edit the title, we need the full editor. Click the pencil icon in that pop-up to open the editing page for the event. In the editing page, locate the title field at the top. Click inside the name of the event and place your cursor exactly where you want the emoji to appear. A simple tip here, adding one emoji at the very beginning can make the event pop in the calendar grid, while placing it at the end helps keep the core title text front and center. Choose whichever style makes your schedule clearest. Now, with your cursor in place, use the built-in emoji picker on Windows by pressing and holding the Windows key and then tapping the period key. This opens a small emoji panel. You can browse by category or use the search box to quickly find what you need. Type words like meeting, birthday, travel, or check to narrow it down. Click the emoji you want and it will be inserted into the title. If you change your mind, use backspace to remove it or add a different one. Keep it simple. One or two well-chosen emojis are usually more readable than a long string. When you're satisfied with how the title looks, save your changes. Click Save and the event will update in your calendar view. You'll now see the emoji right in the calendar grid, in event previews, and anywhere that title appears in Google Calendar. The emoji does not change your event's time, guests, or reminders. It's purely a visual enhancement, so everything else about the event continues to work as before. A couple of quick best practices as you wrap up. Keep the original words of the title intact so the purpose of the event is clear, and use emojis consistently across similar event types to build a visual system you can recognize instantly. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and surprisingly effective.